Super excited about today's video because this is a question I get all the time. How do I get my product on the first page of Amazon? And why should it be on the first page of Amazon? We're going to be talking about so many concepts related to keywords in this video. But first of all, I want to thank you very much for everyone that's subscribing to the channel because the channel is growing very, very quickly. I'm so excited to see so many people that are interested to start their own journey on Amazon and become independent, have their own business online. Make sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below because we want to give back to you. And if you do all of those three things, you might be eligible to win a free call with me to discuss everything related to Amazon. And congratulations to the winner who did all these three things in the previous video. You won a call with me. So before we move on to the computer and we talk about first page, how to get on the first page, let's dissect two very important concepts that you need to know about as an Amazon seller. First of all, we're going to be talking about SEO. Second of all, we're going to be talking about keyword search volume. These two things are very important. Starting off with SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. You probably, if you have ever created your own website or you're into this field, you've probably heard about SEO. Normally for your website, you need to ensure that your website is SEO optimized so that search engines such as Google can pick it up and people can easily find it. Now, in the case of Amazon, we don't have our own website, we have product pages. So the same thing applies, the same information applies to a product page. To improve the SEO ranking of your product page, you need to ensure that the product page is well optimized, so you have really good information, content, and really good images. And you also need to make sure that you have the right keywords, which we're going to be discussing in today's video in depth. So this is very important stuff. The normal journey of how customers log into Amazon is they basically log into Amazon and they search for whatever product they're looking for using a particular keyword. Let's just say we're looking for water bottle, and then here comes all of the results. One thing to note is that customers on Amazon spend about 5 minutes on the website as a maximum, and they also tend to only stay on the first page. Rarely do they go to the second page. Now, with these two information combined, now you understand why it's so important to rank on the first page. Now, why do some products rank on the first page to begin with? Why does Amazon favor particular products? It's just because they have proven to Amazon that they are selling. So basically what Amazon knows is that if a product is selling quite well and people are happy with it, there's not a really high return rate and the feedback is good, then Amazon will decide to add this product to the first page, because if other customers will see it, then they will have the same experience. You have to prove the concept of your product so that Amazon can put your product organically on the first page. Now that you know everything that you need to know about SEO, let's talk about the second concept, which is keyword search volume. Very important. It basically means what is the search volume, how many searches for that particular keyword, and this is a monthly number. Very important, because to know the search volume means to identify which keywords work best and which keywords have the highest search volume for you to focus on. Let me show you on the computer. Okay, so I'm on Amazon right now, and just to tell you before I get started, your Amazon dashboard or your Amazon website might look a little bit different than mine, because I already have Helium 10 integrated and downloaded on my computer, so things might look a little bit different. So let's start off with choosing what we want to type into the search box right here, and I'm going to use the word gender. The reason why I'm using gender is because, you know, there's a very trendy idea of gender reveal parties happening now. So when I type in gender, Helium 10 is going to give me some Amazon suggestions as well as related keywords, and Helium 10 rather is also going to give me the estimated search volume per month for these keywords. So gender reveal party supplies, gender reveal has a search volume of 326, not bad. Let's click on this. And when we click on this, we're going to know exactly the history, search volume history. So I know how competitive, how much demand there is, all of that stuff. I'm looking for the past 90 days. Let's look at the whole year. As you can see, it seems that people like to do gender reveals in, when is that? Maybe in February for some reason, as well as June. So February and June is gender reveal day or months. However, the rest of the time, gender reveal in November seems to be a little bit boring, maybe. Now, with that being said, let's assume that you want to sell a product. You have already a product in mind, and we're going to fix the optimization. So let's say that that product is a men's wallet. So let's write the keyword men's wallet, and let's go check what other people selling men's wallet, what they are doing. Now, as you can see here, I get, once I typed in the keyword men's wallet, I got these 4 different products. All of them have the keyword sponsored next to them because those are sponsored, which means the seller is investing some money in order for the product to show up on the first page. But let's look at the products that are showing up without any sponsorship, which means organically. We can see this product, and several other products. This product is also doing a very interesting type of ad called the video ad, where they get the video as well as, so they're getting like the full size of the page. That's why it's very interesting, and other information. Now, one thing to do, and you can do this manually, is look at the top 5 sellers, maybe even a little bit more, of whatever product that you're selling. And you can actually look at their titles and try to identify what keywords they are ranking for and what keywords they have added, and add those to a list. So we're going to compile a list of keywords, and then I'm going to tell you what you're going to do with this list. So let's take as an example this product, and let's click on it. So this is a pretty popular and well-known brand, Timberland. Potentially that's the reason why this product is selling. However, it doesn't really matter on Amazon because a product is a product. Now, we can manually look at the keywords and figure out what keywords Timberland is focused on. But I like things to be easier and faster and smarter. And that's why we could use a tool like Helium 10. What you can do is you can use this in the drop-down extension and use X-ray keywords. So we're basically trying to figure out what keywords this product is ranking for and what the search volume of those keywords are. And as you can see here, we've got 3 top keywords: wallet for men with a search volume of 5,480, incredible. Just a general wallet, which is a general keyword, at 2,115, and men's wallet at 1,683. All of those are really good keywords. However, definitely wallet for men is one of the best ones with the highest search volume. But obviously, if it has a high search volume, it also has a lot of competition. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't be adding it, but you need to be mindful of the fact that it's going to have more competition than the other ones. Helium 10 also provides you a little bit more of a search trend so that you know if more people are searching for it or less people are searching for it. You shouldn't be worried about this, but it is also very important to just keep in mind. And it also tells you if the product, because we're looking at the product in particular, what the title density and organic rank. We're just going to be focused on the keywords and the search volume for now. And once you do this for multiple products on Amazon and you've compiled a list, let me tell you what you should do. So after you've checked all of the search volumes of the main keywords and you've compiled a list of those particular keywords, now it's time for you to do the SEO part of which we talked about in the beginning of the video. So you need to take those keywords and add them strategically into your product page. Most notably, you need to add them into your title, into your bullet points, as well as into your product description. That way, enriching the SEO of your product page. But you also can advertise for those particular keywords if you think that investing your money onto those particular keywords will be important for you to increase your sales. Now, unfortunately, it's not enough to just simply add those keywords into your listing so that Amazon shows your product on the first page. Remember, I said proven concept. So you need to get sales on those particular keywords so that Amazon can rank your product organically. So it sometimes takes a little bit of time for your product to rank on the first page organically, and that's why having a well-rounded ad campaign would be a necessity or something smart. If you want more information about ads, or if you want our support, then you can reach out to the team on our website www.assmiddleeast.org. Send us an email or book a call with the team for further information. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.